Welcome to Chapter 3 of our Zoambit with Smart AI Lens tutorial series. In this session, we will explore how to integrate the Smart AI Lens for face recognition with your Zoambit. The Smart AI Lens enables real-time face detection and counting. It can display the count and different icons on the microbit screen based on the number of faces detected. To program your Zoambit robot, open the MakeCode editor. First, add the necessary extensions. Click on Extensions. Search for Planet X and add it. Once added, the extensions will appear in the Blocks panel. How the code works. Initialize the AI lens for face recognition mode. The microbit will display ready, indicating it's prepared to detect faces. If no face is detected, microbit shows sad face and 0. If one face is detected, microbit shows happy face and 1. If two faces detected, microbit shows expressionless face and 2. If 3 faces detected, microbit shows shock face and 3. If more than 3 faces detected, microbit shows big square and the number of faces detected. This tutorial offers a fun and interactive way to delve into AI-powered facial recognition. For more details and step-by-step guidance, refer to our full tutorial at Cytron.io.